Hi, my name is Terry. I've lost 170 pounds with keto, carnivore, and ketovore. Here's my macros for the day. Don't forget to click like, please. Thank you. Hello. I'm getting ready my food for tomorrow. I have this is actually ground beef and rutabaga mash. So I'm going to have this. I'm taking some gum to work tomorrow. So I'm going to stick it in this little thing so that way people at work come and steal my gum. Yes, Darla, I'm calling you out if you're watching this. They take my gum. So I have to bring extra gum. So what am I? I've got some 80/20 ground beef. Look, you see that frost on it? This has been in my refrigerator for 4 days. But so even after 4 days, it doesn't fully defrost. So I'm going to do 1 serving of Rayo's marinara, which is 125 grams. All right. And then I'm going to do a half of a serving of Rayo's Alfredo, which is 30 grams. Okay, 32 grams. And I'm going to add some seasoning to it. We'll add some Greek seasoning. We're going to add a little bit of, let's add some spicy Danos. Put a little kick with it. We're going to put some dehydrated garlic in there. And some, I'm still trying to get rid of this, some everything bagel seasoning. So that's what we're going to have in it tomorrow. Need my lid. So I got everything already plugged in for tomorrow. I try to, if I can, I plug it in today for tomorrow so I don't have to think about it tomorrow. All I got to do tomorrow is just eat. My favorite thing is to eat. So I'll put my spoon in here, close it up. I've already pulled out my coffee for tomorrow. This is instant coffee and protein powder. If you go to my playlist, I have a channel and it's called Specialty Things. So it's got this in it and it has my egg muffins on it. So I just keep that there so it's all in one place. I probably will still show you those things on the weekend. But I got this pimple. I've been picking on it. I'll still show you those things as I do them on the weekend, but it's one place where it's just a video geared just for that. I'll pop this in the refrigerator and I will see you tomorrow. Hello, it's breakfast time. Got my egg muffin. I'm just going to eat it cold today. I got a lot going on, so I'm just trying to shovel this in. It's only 7:40, but I've already got a lot going on, so. Hey there, it's 12 o'clock and I'm having that rutabaga. I really think this is rutabaga and ground beef mash. Let me see. Let me stir it up. I have, yeah, that's ground beef in it. So it's rutabaga and ground beef mash. I had put soup on it before I decided to call it mash. And, hang on, I gotta clean off my lid here. Well, I can do that afterwards. This is the 80/20 ground beef along with the marinara and Alfredo sauce, the Rayo's. Well, let me just get this ready. There's that. I mean, you just can't go wrong with marinara and Alfredo. You could put that on a pile of poop and it'll still taste good. Sorry, Mom. Sorry, Mom. I know. Don't call me and tell me to stop talking foul. Don't forget, Sunday, we're going to do a shrimp, vegetable, cheese, something or another. And I'll see what else we do this weekend. Okay, bye. Got my boy with me. He's on his way to the vet. He's got to see the outside of where I work and meet some good people. He was like, hi, everybody. But he didn't howl. He was quiet. Quiet as a little peeper. So next we go to the vet. We're at the vet and he's just patiently waiting. He's a good boy. He's had a couple treats and now he's just waiting to see. He's waiting to see what they say about him. He's a good boy. He's my good Lulu. He's my soulmate. He is a lazy bum, and I can totally relate. Lou, hey. Over here, bub. Hi. You say, I'm not lazy, Mom. I'm not lazy. I reserve my energy for times of when it's needed. That tail, that's as curved as that tail gets right there. Otherwise, it's stiff as a board. Boy's walking into Petco for the first time. The door open for you, bud. Let's see. Come on. My goodness, the smells. Look, Lou. There's a rabbit. Look what's in there. Don't want to scare her. He doesn't bite, but I didn't want to scare her. Yep. Hi. Lou, you want to say hi?
Oh my goodness.
Let's see what you think of. Come here. Come here, Lou. Look. Come here. Hey. Look at these animals. Look up here. Look. Look. Yeah. So many things. You want to follow your nose? You just want to explore? Hey, quit pulling, quit pulling, quit pulling. Here, come on, come on, look at the fish. What do you think, bud? You're following your nose, aren't you? I don't have any treats. Come here. Let's walk this way. Come on. Let's go this way.
Yeah.
No. What do you think? What do you think, Baba? Probably get you some treats. Come here. No, you can't have it. No, you can't have that one. Oh, your siblings would not let that fly. That's kitty stuff. Let's find the treats. Come on, scooch over. Find the treats. Yeah, let's get some of these treats. Ooh. Oh, you've never had rabbit before. Let's try these. Let's try some rabbit treats. Come on, bub. Back to this side. Oh, boy. think? Oh. Come here. Come here. Look at the kitties. Oh, there's a kitty up here. Oh, there's one on bottom. Hi, kitty kitty. You don't care anything about the other animals. You don't care at all. All right, let's go. You did good. You met a couple people. My boy got antibiotics and steroids, and so that means he's going to be hyper and feeling good. I love it when he gets steroids. He's so energetic, which he's not normally energetic. So he's going to get oral antibiotics and oral steroid. So yeah, that's how it went. He's going to they want to get his ears better and see what they need to do next. See if they clear up enough that he doesn't need surgery, or see if he does need surgery. They just got to play it by ear. But anyway, so he did good. Luberdoo was a good boy. He met a puppy. I saw him kind of snarl at the puppy a little bit. It was kind of trying to nibble on his ears, and well, his ears are sensitive. But anyway, but he did really good. I was so proud of my boy. He did good. So now we're going home. See his brothers and sister. Ain't that right, Bubba? He didn't howl or nothing when we went to Petco. So he was a good boy. All right, bye. Coworker said, "You're looking good today. Let's take some pictures." So here I am. Here's a couple pictures of me at work. And yeah, and then I also have one as a comparison. Here you can see me compared to how I was in 2019. And I'm home with the crew, the whole crew now. I've got me some steak bites and some Normandy blend. That's the bad thing about whenever you make a whole bunch of meal prep. You're stuck eating the same thing until it's all gone. But I'm about tired of the Normandy blend, but I'm about to make something, this weekend. I'll make up some more stuff. So what I think I'll do this weekend, adobo and paprika. This weekend, when I make up my my stuff, I'm not going to use frozen vegetables in it. This is everything bagel seasoning. I'm not going to use vegetables in my meal prep, the ground beef, and that's a garlic and herb. The reason why, here's a few little dehydrated garlic. Okay, so the reason why is because then I can do what I want to with the side dish. I could do rutabaga, or I could do rutabaga, or I could do jicama, or I could do rutabaga. Anyway, I can decide on that day. Or I could do a cabbage salad. I can decide on that day what I want to do. So anyway, all right, here we go. That's what I'm going to eat. Have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow with our meal prep, and we'll see what kind of stuff we're going to be doing tomorrow, because I pull it all out, but I don't even know what we're going to do with it. Yep. Hello. Shut my nose. Good flavor. Bye.